We are in the business of integration, integrating business with technology, process with people, a collaborative team with a learning culture, impactful teamwork with purpose. Sometimes results are expected, and sometimes they are extraordinary. The company and the team are unlike any other. We partner with distributors to fulfill their today's needs with a next-generation solution. This aspiration comes with the responsibility to do better. We challenge the status quo. Our success stems from our partnership with our wonderful clients and our team's desire to constantly challenge themselves to stay ahead of the competition. We strive to be essential, a desire to help distributors grow their business to the next level using modern technology. We use and extend our resources for innovation. Ximple Solutions is extraordinary. There is no limit to what we can solve.